Hello everyone. Senzo Meyiwa's brother Sfiso maintains that no intruder forced themselves into the singer Kelly Khumalo's home on the night his brother was killed. Sfiso spoke to the Sunday World publication and he still believes that the trial, which is currently held at the Pretoria High Court, is misleading people and that the right suspects who should be in the dock are not there. He said, "I'm going to catch up on the whole case today because I was never in court the whole week. I did hear that there has been some developments that came up in the court, but I still stand by what I said before, that there is still no truth in what is happening and is being said in the court." The Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper's family has previously spoken out that they don't believe that there was a robbery at the Khumalos in Vosloorus in the East Rand on the day that Senzo was gunned down in 2014. Sfiso added that what is currently being shared in court is not the truth, and soon the country will know what truly happened to his brother. He said that the truth still stands. "Remember, we said that no one entered the house on that day. We still stand there." Senzo's brother told the publication that he's not emotionally ready to go to court, but his mother and sister will be in attendance this week at the court. He said, "My mother is okay, but she refuses to speak about the case at all. The trial is being heard by the judge Rata Mokgotleng, and there were so many bombshells being dropped as 3 new witnesses were called to the stand, including musician Zandile Khumalo, the neighbor, and the telephone data specialist. The specialist, Colonel Lambert Sustain, turned the case on its head when he revealed that the cell phone data he studied showed that the Khumalo sisters were in communication with some of the suspects days prior to the shooting, connecting a web of calls from cell phones. Stein said it was discovered that Kelly had been in contact with accused number 1 Musika Ukhalela Sibiya on 26 October 2014. On Thursday last week, Stein testified that Kelly Khumalo had also been having cell phone conversations with accused number 5 Fisokuhle Ntuli months before the murder of Meyiwa, suggesting that some of the call records might have been deleted after the shooting. He also managed to connect Kelly's sister Zandile Khumalo to Sibiya, saying their registered numbers exchanged a call on 24 October 2014. The data analyst said a SIM swap on Meyiwa's number was done in October 2014 and linked the same numbers to having contact with the number registered under Kelly. The 5 accused are expected back in court on Monday. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.